Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ashley Amber, and in today's video, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be reviewing Afsister Hair Company, and they're actually on Amazon, so this will be their Amazon store that we'll be reviewing today. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy these hair tutorials and you enjoy my channel, and make sure the notification bell is on. You hit that bell so you're notified every time I post a banger, okay? Period. Alright guys, so this is how the wig comes. Beautiful packaging. So let's open this bad boy up. So excited. Do you see? Okay, so it comes obviously in the hairnet, so take that out. Wow, she's cute. Have a wig cap. Look at this wig, super pretty, very flowy and bouncy. Like, you can already tell, like, this is some pretty hair, like stiff wear. This is the lace. Show y'all up close. Pretty far back, the parting space. At least it's a good amount of parting space. So the construction, it is a full lace, and there's two combs at the side, one in the nape, and there is one in the back as well. It has like this piano band strap, so you can tighten the wig and loosen the wig. So this is really great. It gives you extra support, and then you don't even have to glue your wigs down, because y'all, when this is there, it fits so snug on your head. And then it also has the elastic band in the back. Okay, yeah, so I'm excited. This is the lace again, you guys. Very pretty. The hair is very soft. Love it. So I'll talk about the specs and everything after we install this wig. So I'm just going to install this. If y'all watch my videos, you already know how I install my wigs, so I'm not going to talk. I'm just going to get right into the installation. So let's get into it. So pretty. I'm obsessed. I haven't even installed this wig and I'm already like, I'm obsessed. Because it's the color for me, y'all. Like, the color for me. Literally, this is so snug on my head. I don't have to glue it down. So this could definitely be a glueless unit, but I'm gonna glue it down for you guys, of course. So
seems like ever since the first day we met, there is no one else I think of more than you. Can't seem to forget, can't get you out my head. Here's the verdict, and I'm crazy over you. How can one be down? Tell me where to start, cause every time you smile I feel tremors in my heart. I have but one concern: how can I get with you till my day comes? Here's what I'm gonna do.
Check it.
Yeah, sitting up in my room, thinking about you. I must confess, I'm a mess for you. Sitting up in my room, I'm just a mess with a flavor.
okay, also this is the lace. It's given melted. Okay, it's given melted. All right, so let's cut this lace, and this lace was super easy to work with. Like, we love an easy lace that knows how to cooperate, you feel me? We love it.
Tell me where to start, cause every time you smile I feel tremors in my heart. I have one concern: how can I get with you till my day comes?
This is what we're looking like. This lace was everything, so don't mind the lightness of the lace. We're going to conceal that with a little bit of foundation. So literally just taking a beauty blender and some foundation. I'm gonna blend that into that lace. Just dab that in.
Here's what I'm gonna do.
Okay, so now let's get into the baby hairs. close and personal, okay? So I haven't done anything to the part, so let's conceal the part in, but y'all, the wig is speaking for itself, okay? So I'm just gonna take some concealer to just tint the part a little bit, the lace. Yeah, so that part is done. Looks good. You guys, like, so it is straight, it has a little bit of waves in it. So just brush that out. So smooth, you guys. And while I'm brushing it out, I just got one strand. And I did, you know, cut baby hairs into it. So that is to be expected, but really no shedding. Like, guys, I am obsessed with this wig. Obsessed. Okay. Obsessed. So I'm not going to straighten her. I'm just going to take the straightener and just spot in the top, which really doesn't need any flattening. Like, this hair is literally very flat and natural and realistic, like so effortless, like seriously, so effortless. What lace? Okay. Okay. Yeah. This is definitely the wig not to be played with. It's giving me Ariel vibes, like I need to be on a beach because I'm a mermaid. Like, it's giving me Little Mermaid and I'm here for it. I feel like I need an alter ego. Yeah. Anyways, let's get right into the specs because I can talk about this here all day because your girl is feeling it. Okay guys, so this wig is from Afsisterwig. So I mentioned that earlier, and it's their Amazon store. So the specs on this hair, it is 150% density. So it's not like super full, but it's not thin or anything. It's like the perfect density. Yeah, because I love me a full wig, and this feels really full, especially since this is like a burgundy wine color. You don't want anything like too dramatic, and this is just like the perfect density. Love that. The color is burgundy red, so it's actually burgundy wine red, so we love that. It is a 13x4, so the lace is like that, and it is a full lace. Okay. Y'all, I'm feeling this wig. Like, if y'all can't tell, I'm here to tell you I'm feeling this wig. But yeah, you guys, this wig is so beautiful. It is a it's human hair. Yeah, so it's the silky Remy human hair, so absolutely love it. The color is the 99J, but yeah, burgundy red wine. Oh my gosh, y'all, obsessed. I always wanted to try burgundy hair, and the fact that I'm doing that now, I'm just like, this might be my signature look. Okay, so it is 20 inches. I'll show y'all where it goes. So this is where the hair goes on me, and I'm 5'4". So it goes like all the way down close to my belly button. Great length. I love the fullness of this wig, you guys. Like, this wig was so easy to work with. The lace was super easy to work with, and like I said, it is silky Remy hair, and y'all see how I'm just running my hands through this. No shedding. I only got that one strand when I brushed it. Really no shedding, because I literally cut baby hairs into this wig and there is no shedding. Okay, I just got maybe like one other strand, but like I said, that's to be expected because I did cut baby hairs, but other than that, there is no shedding, and I'm not even gonna say minimal shedding because I'm really not getting any strands. I love the natural hairline on this wig. Y'all saw how I did that? Y'all seen how I did that? Yeah. And this is on Amazon, you guys. It's affordable and it's great quality hair, so I definitely check them out. Like the link, everything will be down in the description box, but check out Afsister Hair on Amazon because they are truly, they're not the ones to be played with. Like, they're not the ones to be played with. Y'all see it. I don't gotta sell y'all on this. Like, I don't get paid for this. I'm really trying to help y'all out because they're not the ones to be played with. They're affordable, great quality. Like, who is taking me out to dinner? Because seriously, this wig, I need to be seen. I need to be outside. I need to be outside. Because this wig, she's not trying to be in the house. Okay? So it is a natural hairline, y'all. It comes pre-plucked. So again, y'all know my brand is out of an easy wig, not much to do, and this wig is definitely that. I only concealed the part with concealer, made some baby hairs, and that was it. And y'all, you don't have to glue it down because it does come with that piano band, so it secures the wig. Like when I put it on, it felt snug. Like I said, like I did not have to glue this down. I only glued it down so y'all can see it. But y'all, like I said,